Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna review Yash Raj film Spy Universe biggest movie of 2025. I'm gonna review Ritik Roshan, Juni NTR and Kira Dwani starrer sequel biggest film in the Spy Universe saga War 2. So let's start my review. The trailer's out for War 2. Cannot wait, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. So yeah, so let's start with my review for War 2. So War 2, the trailer just dropped for the movie. Absolutely fantastic. Every scene, the way they cut the trailer and the suspense they showed, it's absolutely spectacular. Absolutely dhamaka. This trailer is absolutely fantastic. Just like I was the fan of the first movie, this is going to be even better and spectacular. Absolutely brilliant. The trailer. Yeah, it's a well cutted and a well is a fantastic, well made trailer, and the suspense leaves you. This is the exciting part for the trailer. Absolutely fantastic. Ritik Roshan as Kabir. You have Juni NTR entry, and you have the Kira Dwani with four different shades in her character: charm, lovable, sexy, and gorgeous, and action she's doing. The fighting with Ritik Roshan is Zabardast. And plus, we have two Indian soldiers, Kabir and Juni NTR. So they do anything for the nation, and they both fight each other. The everything is going on is fantastic, and Ashutosh Rana as well has returned as well as Colonel Luteria. Once again, they are both soldiers. This is war. Absolutely brilliant. एकदम बढ़िया लगा ये ट्रेलर मुझे. It's a true winner. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Absolutely loved it. So, War 2 trailer, Ritik Roshan, Juni NTR face off in an epic War 2 trailer as Yash Raj Films unleashed Bollywood's biggest action spectacular. Yash Raj Films has unleashed the highly anticipated trailer for War 2. The triple action extravaganza, highly anticipated extravaganza, absolutely fantastic. Stars Ritik Roshan, gorgeous Ritik Roshan, fantastic as Kabir. You have Juni NTR that promised to deliver Bollywood's most explosive theatrical experience of 2025. So the film is directed by Ahyan Mukherjee, the sixth installment in the YNF's blockbuster spy universe. Absolutely fantastic. So pits Hrithik Roshan and Triple R star Juni NTR against each other. The trailer plunges viewers into a world of high gloss extravaganza where every frame is loaded with kinetic energy and visual. Visual and everything is fantastic. Bravo. The camera lingers on Hrithik Roshan's Kabir as Kabir. His steely gaze and cheersed profile underscoring the stats as both super spy and superstar enters Juni NTR, whose screen presence crackles with the intensity promise a collision of titans that is much about charisma as it is about combat. Absolutely fantastic. So director is by Han Mukherjee's fingerprints are evidence to the trailer's sleek, almost operatic action choreography. Set pieces in teased with just enough spectacular exploding cars, balletic fight sequences, and globe-trotting vistas to ensure fans that all the sequel is raising the stakes. The editing and relentless is relentless propelling the viewer from the adrenaline line soaked moment to the next, while the pounding score reaches up tension and anticipation. Kiara Advani's brief but impactful appearance hints at a larger role. So she's looking absolutely gorgeous, fantastic when she's the both chemistry between Ritik Roshan and looking very fresh and very nice. Ritik Roshan. When Ritik Roshan comes with a star, he just suits with whoever it was Kira Dwani or any other actor. Both looking very nice and fresh, and both she does fight scenes, kicks, and all that. She's amazing. Absolutely different layers of this character they showed in the trailer. Kira Advani is Zabardast. She can kiss, she can fight, she's all rounder good, and plus they show her bikini as well in the glimpses, and she's looking very super hot and sexy and action avatar they showed of Kira Advani. So she's looking very impactful. Kira Advani, absolutely brilliant. She has been adding to the note intergood to the teaser out fueled processings. The trailer is carefully showcased the first film scene scale, showcases the film's scale fighting planes, so speedboats, roads, trains, cars, and cities by a blue white terroring plot details, translating out of the reach. Ultimately, the War 2 trailer delivers exactly what fans of the genre crave. Star power spectacular and promises to be an epic showdown. And the promise of the epic showdown in the final film matches the trailer's swagger. Bollywood spy universe is set for another explosive chapter. War 2 is scheduled for worldwide theatrical release on August 14 during the Indian Independence Day holiday frame, and it will be available in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu languages. And plus it will be released on the IMAX. So absolutely fantastic. एकदम ज़बरदस्त. मुझे अच्छा लगा, पसंद आया मुझे. I have enjoyed this trailer. I have seen it twice to understand. Absolutely, the trailer has cut it so well and just leaves that suspense. We just have to find out. Put पूरी picture. अभी ट्रेलर आया, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So absolutely fantastic. Ritik Roshan is brilliant. Junie and Tim and the fight scenes happening absolutely brilliant. Kiran Dawani as well. She's looking very gorgeous and super sexy, and plus she can fight, she can do kicks. Absolutely good. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And plus Ashutosh Rana as well. And they both in India. They can do anything for India, sacrifice for India. And they will protect this country and they fight each other. Ritik Roshan and Junie NTR. Ekdam Zabardast, Dhamaka, blockbuster. This film will be a huge, successful film at the box office. Trust me, this film will be huge, Dhamaka, explosive extravaganza at the box office. Come 14 August. And it's plus his holiday. And the film will do a massive big opener of 2025 in Ritik Roshan's career. Absolutely fantastic. Ekdam Zabardast, बढ़िया लगा. And yeah, the way the trailer goes, everything, the dialogue delivery, brilliant. The fight scenes, the boat, super boat scenes and all that, explosion scenes, and both fighting each other for a country, and both are Indian soldiers, and which is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. It's going to be a huge blockbuster. This film faregi at the box office. First day, second day, third day, it has a good run, and the weekend as well. And this film will be word of mouth will be a huge success. Word of mouth will be a huge success at the box office. Just like the first part, guys, the sequel is living up to the high. एकदम high छोड़ दिया ये ट्रेलर ने. Zabardast, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant, fantastic, outstanding, mind-blowing, superb. I loved everything of the trailer. Everything. Absolutely fantastic. This is gonna be a huge blockbuster in the spy universe saga called War 2. Biggest explosion action धमाका धमाका आग लगा देगी ये पिक्चर आग लगा देगी पिक्चर है ट्रस्ट मी आई एम टेलिंग यू सीरियसली टेलिंग यू गाइस ये पिक्चर तोड़ेगी फाड़ेगी सब कुछ करेगी it will break all records when comes August 14 and plus is India's national holiday so it will storm the box office as madness होने वाला है ये पिक्चर madness होने वाला है absolutely fantastic मार्क माय वर्ड्स लिख के ले लो ये पिक्चर तो सुपर द जबरदस्त ब्लॉकबस्टर होने वाली है ऋतिक रोशन आई लव ऋतिक रोशन सिंस कहो ना प्यार है when he made his debut in the year 2000 I watched that film in India in the theaters absolutely fantastic day one I loved Hrithik Roshan day one I loved Hrithik Roshan when Kaho Na Pyara was released in the year 2000s guys absolutely loved the guy fantastic he will deliver the power pack performance of Kabir versus new villain Juni NTR ekdam zabardast brilliant absolutely fantastic loved it 4 out of 5 absolutely fantastic blockbuster tsunami absolutely fantastic this is what I want as a fan every fan will want Hrithik Roshan and this action धमाकेदार performance सब कुछ है इसमें ट्रेलर में सब कुछ है 4 out of 5 4 out of 5 for War 2 trailer it's a winner absolutely winner at the box office you make a good profit this film will be a profitable adventure at the box office especially for Han Mukherjee and the YNF and Spy Universe films. Brilliant. So 4 out of 5 for Hrithik Roshan and Juni NTR and Kira Dwani film trailer called War 2. So yeah, has everything. Absolutely fantastic. Mind-blowing, outstanding, fantastic. Zabardast. पावर पैक्ड स्पेक्टाकुलर ब्लॉकबस्टर होने वाली पिक्चर ये फिल्म तो फाड़ेगी एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस कम August 14 it will smash all the records high grossing films of 2025 this will be brilliant so yeah final verdict from me 4 out of 5 for War 2 trailer loved it this film is going to be a huge blockbuster guys huge career blockbuster for Hrithik Roshan's career. Absolutely, he's looking handsome, fantastic. The gaze of his eyes, the rawness of his eyes, and Juni NTR is going to be facing, and plus Kira Advani as well. Absolutely, all of the trailer is brilliant. Is a true winner, guys. So yeah, for final verdict from my side, 4 out of 5 for War 2. So there you go. That's my honest reactions for War 2. Thumbs up, absolutely fantastic. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.